How to get grease out of Timberland boots. When your Timberland boots end up with unsightly grease stains, it is vital to remove them immediately. Let us now take a look at the steps on how to remove grease stains from Timberland boots to keep them clean. Step 1. Place a paper towel over the grease stain. Press into the stain and soak up as much grease as possible. Replace with a new one until there is no more grease left. Step 2. Sprinkle talc powder, baby powder or cornstarch over the side of the grease stain. Make sure that the entire stain is covered. Leave the powder in place overnight. Step 3. With a toothbrush or soft cloth, brush away the powder off the boot. Utilize a toothbrush to fluff up the grain of the suede or leather. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 as necessary until the grease stain is removed. Make sure that once you spot a grease stain on your Timberland boots, treat it right away. The longer the grease is left on your boots, the harder it is to remove. After regular cleaning of your boots, treat it with a waterproof coating since this will make it easier to deal with any stains as well as clean your boots. In case the stain is deeply embedded and the powder technique does not work, you might utilize products in the market that are specifically designed to clean suede. More tips on how to get rid of stains on howtoremovestains.com.